Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Adirondack chairs on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Best Choice Products Wooden Folding Adirondack Chair. Get ready for a comfortable and stylish outdoor experience with the Best Choice Products Wooden Folding Adirondack Chair. With its timeless style, this chair effortlessly blends with any outdoor setting, whether it's your patio, porch, deck, or garden. It can easily be folded for convenient storage and features a 350 pounds weight capacity for extra support. The easy-to-carry design and lightweight frame ensure you can relocate the chair with ease. What we like about it: very affordable for real wooden chairs. Lightweight and easy to move. Features a beautiful natural wood finish. Extremely durable and long-lasting. What we don't like about it: can be difficult to assemble. Number 2. Seawall Folding Adirondack Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with the Seawall Folding Adirondack Chair. This high-quality patio chair is designed for maximum comfort and durability, making it the perfect choice for your outdoor space. Say goodbye to storage issues thanks to its convenient folding design. With the classic Adirondack styling, this chair is sure to impress, while giving you the best in relaxation. What we like about it: assembles in under 15 minutes. Ergonomically designed for comfort. Holds up well in winter. Firm connecting points prevent wobbling. What we don't like about it: may require additional tools for assembly. Number 3. Heater Alpine Resin Adirondack Chair. Enjoy outdoor relaxation without the hassle of wood maintenance with this Keter Alpine Resin Adirondack Chair. Combining traditional wooden styling with weather-resistant materials, this chair will be a comfortable and stylish addition to your patio, pool, or fire pit seating. With its spacious and ergonomic design, you can easily relax and unwind. What we like about it: features a quick drainage system. Can sit in the water without floating. Comfortable to sit in for long periods. Large cup holders fit most glasses. What we don't like about it: cup holders may be flimsy. Number 4. Yefu Plastic Adirondack Chair. Introducing the easiest and most comfortable way to enjoy the great outdoors, the Yefu Plastic Adirondack Chair. These stylish chairs look just like real wood, so you can enjoy the classic design without having to worry about staining or sealing the surface. They are perfect for any outdoor space, such as a patio, fire pit, deck, garden, or even a campfire. Made with Yefu's exclusive HIPS composite plastic material, these chairs are free from static electricity and weather-resistant. What we like about it: stable and resistant to high winds. Easy to assemble in 5 steps. The faux wood grain finish looks authentic. Available in numerous colors. What we don't like about it: the chairs aren't foldable or stackable. Number 5. King Yes Folding Adirondack Chair. If you're looking for the best Adirondack chair for your outdoor space, look no further than the King Yes Folding Adirondack Chair. The folding and stackable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it easier to relocate and perfect for those with limited space. Made from polyethylene material, this Adirondack chair is weather-resistant and waterproof, ensuring exceptional durability that can withstand a range of climates. What we like about it: generously sized for larger individuals. The material won't splinter or split. Plastic resin is easy to clean. Folds and stacks for easy storage. What we don't like about it: assembly may require power tools. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.